So, today's Memorial Day, 2015, and I've got my chicken coop here, and my birds normally stay inside, and today, two decided to fly over, I guess it's about a 4.5 foot chicken wire, well, horse fence, and my golden retriever, Samson, the amazing Samson, he did what he's designed to do, which is to catch birds. And he caught one of my big egg layers, KFC. And Sammy is an 11-year-old golden retriever. Huh? You alright, Bubba? Look at all these feathers, huh? Huh? She's screwed. Alright, do your job. Good boy. And Sammy's nickname is Sammy Claus, and you're going to see why in short order why he is called Sammy Claus. Anybody want a chicken leg? I got some chicken legs here. Anybody want a chicken leg? Bark, 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 bark. Oh, hush. Hey, Heather, you want a chicken wing? You sure? He just ate a feather. It stuck to his nose. Look at that. It's stuck right on his nose. Now, I'm not saying this is right, but this is nature. You have a bird dog with a bird, and they're going to take a bird down. That's just what they do. Yeah, you didn't do any good job of guarding them, huh? Guarding her? Yeah, go run away. What you gonna do, Sam? Huh, Sam? Gonna get that birdie? You get that birdie? Hmm? You went swimming today, you jumped off a pier, and now you got yourself about a 4.5 pound chicken. 5 pound chicken.